Hello everyone, welcome to Automation Community. Today in this video, we are going to discuss an example which will be about wood sawing. So let's look at the example first. Wood sawing. The sawing operation takes place for 10 seconds when push button is pressed and wood is placed there. After sawing is complete, the wood is removed and a blower is used to blow away the sawdust which remains activated for 5 seconds. That means we have a start button that being pressed and sensor being activated. The sensor will activate only when the wood is being placed there. So the sawing operation will start for 10 seconds, and after that when sensor gets deactivated, the fan will turn on for 5 seconds, blowing away the dust for 5 seconds. So for this example, we will use normally open contacts as well as normally closed contacts. With that, we will be also using some memory bits and timers like TP. So let's move to TI Portal, where we will draw a ladder diagram for this example. This is the interface of TI Portal version 16. So firstly, we will go to here and double click on PLC tags and default tag table. So here we need to add our inputs and outputs. So the first input is start button, and then we have one more input, that is the sensor, and then we have an output, that is sawing, the saw. It is an output, so its address will be Q0.0, and then we have one more output, that is the fan that will blow away the dust. And after that, I will double click on program blocks and then main OB1. So here we will draw the ladder diagram. So firstly, I will insert a normally open contact for the start button and a coil. So this normally open contact will be the start button, and the coil will represent a memory bit. So let's say M0.0. And after that, we'll add it here. So I will add a normally open contact. I will open the branch, add a normally open contact and close the branch. So this will be M0.0. And after that, this M0.0 will be used here as normally open contact. It gets activated when start button is being pressed. And then we'll use one more normally open contact that will represent the sensor. So I will select sensor from the list. And then I will insert a coil that will represent the saw. So the sawing operation will start when M0.0 gets true and the sensor gets activated. M0.0 gets true when start button is being pressed. So this sawing process operation will be for a definite period of time, and it will be for 10 seconds. For that, we will use a timer operation, that is a TP, and the preset value will be 10 seconds. And after that, we'll use the sawing operation here as normally open contact. And then add a coil, and this coil will represent a memory bit. So this will be M0.1, and we will add this here. So I will add a normally open contact. I will open the branch, add a normally open contact and then close. So this will be M0.1. And then this M0.1 will be used here as normally open contact. So this will be M0.1, and here we will use one more normally open contact, that is M0.0. And then we will use a normally closed contact for the sensor. So I will insert a normally closed contact for the sensor. That means when the wood is not there. When the wood is being taken away, the sensor gets deactivated, the current will flow through this, and as a result, the fan will turn on. There will be fan which will work for 5 seconds. For that, we'll use a timer, that is TP. Click on OK. And this fan will be, the preset value will be 5 seconds. So when start button is being pressed and released, this M0.0 gets through. When it gets through, the sawing machine will operate only if the wood is being placed there. The sensor gets activated and the sawing process will start, and it will saw the wood for 10 seconds. So after that, when sawing is gets activated, this M0.1 gets through. It stores the data that sawing was done, and when it is activated and start button was being pressed and the sensor gets deactivated, that means wood is being uh, taken from there. So the fan will activate for 5 seconds and it will blow away the dust on the machine. So we'll start the simulation here. Click on OK. Click on load. And then finish. After that, I will start the CPU and start monitoring and then switch to project view. Here we need to create a new project in the project view. Let's press Ctrl plus N there. I will press Ctrl N to create a new project. Click on create and then wait. click here and double click on simulation tables and then simulation table 1. Right click here and click on load project tags. So when start button is being pressed and then released, this M0.0 gets true, and this M0.0 allows the current to flow through this, but the sawing operation has not started yet. So the sensor should be activated. So for that, the wood is being placed there, the sensor gets activated. As you can see, the sawing operation has started and it will saw for 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, the sawing operation will stop, but this M0.1 gets true, and when it gets true, the fan should get on, but the sensor should be deactivated. That means the wood has to be taken from there. When sensor gets deactivated, the fan will blow away the dust from it for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds, the fan will stop. It was all about this example. Thank you for watching.